Today we're going to be checking out the cooling fan on our 2011 Ford Edge. First thing we're going to do is take out the air box, starting with these two bolts. Then we'll unhook the mass air flow sensor. We'll take this bolt out, and then we'll come back here and we'll loosen this up so we can pull the whole assembly off. Got a ratchet extension and an 8mm for these bolts right here. You need a Torx T15 to take this out. This is your mass airflow sensor. Okay. Take that out. Pull this out. And then press down, and it comes right out. To remove this, it just pulls out. Okay, and then over here, back here, we'll undo this. All right, loosen this up. Just enough so we can get it out. Okay. Now, we're going to take the top part off. We're just going to undo the two clips here. Undo the two clips here. 1, 2. And then get out of the way. You can just put it up on top of your battery. We just got to take the tray out here. Pops right out. Takes your whole filter. Have our connection here for the fan. And just undo it. Press this tab right here, and that'll pull right out. Okay. Now we have what size is that? Another 8mm screw right here, and one over here. Got it. That's it. So take that clip out. Take that, it's clipped in there. Another clip. Get the two clips out. Hold that up like that. There, I think I got it. There we go. So this was getting stuck on the heat shield, and that's why we had a little hard time getting it out. Like that. So all clipped in. Now it's time to reassemble the airbox. There we go. Now it's in. Back in here. Okay, make sure it's a good tight fit. And that's how you change out your 2011 Ford Edge radiator cooling fan. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.